Woohoo! You made it to the end of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. I am so proud of you. You are so amazing. You stuck all the way through. You made it to the end. You super did it. I hope you see your home as a beautiful and wonderful oasis that it is. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, this is a celebration for sticking all the way through the baby steps. Feel free to restart the challenge here for yourself. As promised, there will be a winner selected every single time you've commented done. As you've completed the task, your name was drawn into a database, which we will randomly select a winner. We're going to do that on screen right now. I hope you win. Even if you don't win the gift card, you already won a prize of a clean and spotless home. You are now flying. Moving forward to the system, we will continue not exactly with the baby step, but full Flylady system. I have a ton of videos where I discuss it here. I will link a playlist if you're interested to know more, and you can check the description for a breakdown of the different routines that you can implement into your day. We will still keep our habits going along with adding our daily focuses and zones. So please feel free to check out those videos for more in-depth analysis of what you will be doing moving forward. Either way, I am so super proud of you. You super did it. And without further ado, congratulations! Be sure to reach out to me to claim your prize. If your name was selected, feel free to message me on Instagram if you have it at Build Her Home so that I can know it is you and send you the information needed for the gift card. If you do not have Instagram, you can shoot me an email. My information is in the description bar always, and feel free to reach out with me there. So reach out to me and I will get that information to you. Congratulations, you won the gift card. And for everyone else, we have won the gift of a clean and beautiful home. We will continue the Flylady systems, and although we are not doing the baby steps anymore, here is the morning routine in full detail for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching. Double surprise! Yay! You stuck around to the end. And here you go. The early bird really does catch the worm, because today we have a super secret surprise winner, and that is you. You will be getting a $25 gift card. You stayed to the end. You were the first one here. And now if you enter this into your Amazon account, you will be a winner of a $25 gift card. So here you go and enjoy. Feel free to continue your Flylady journey by checking out this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.